Okay, let's proceed to the next concept. It is exercise 7.3. Now in this case we have to solve the integrals and we have to use the trigonometric formulas which we have studied in the 11th standard. You can see this problem. I is equal to integral sin 3x cos 4x dx. Okay, now recall this formula, sin a plus b, or you can say sin x plus y. This is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay, and recall this sin a minus b. This is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Okay, in this case you can see the angle of cos is 4x and here it is 3x, means angle of cos is more. If we subtract this, then we have this formula. Here you get sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. Subtraction, this becomes negative, this becomes positive, this strikes out and this gives 2 cos a sin b. Okay, assuming that for cos we are taking cos first because here angle of cos is greater. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to multiply by 2 and divide by 2. Take cos first and sin next. अगर रिवर्स होता, मान लीजिए यहाँ पे एंगल बड़ा होता और ये छोटा होता, तो फिर यहाँ पे हम प्लस करते, देन वी वुड हैव गॉन फॉर प्लस. इन दैट केस हियर टू बी प्लस, दीज टू वुड हैव एडेड एंड गिव यू 2 sin a cos b and this would have been subtracted. Okay, now this gives you 1 by 2 integral, in the bracket you get sin a plus b which is 4x plus 3x minus sin a minus b which is 4x minus 3x dx. This gives you 1 by 2 integral, this is sin 7x minus sin x dx. Now you can solve this. This gives you 1 by 2 integral of sin is minus cos 7x divided by 7 minus integral of cos is sin is minus cos x. Okay, here you are having 7x, coefficient of x is 7, you will divide. In the derivative you multiply it and in the case of integral you divide it. So your final answer, this will be negative and this negative is positive. You can write the same as 1 by 2 inside the bracket cos x minus 1 by 7 cos 7x. This is your answer plus constant c. Okay, proceeding here, now what you have to do here. Okay, now remember one thing, in all these cases you have to recall the formulas you have studied in your previous classes. Okay, you have this formula cos a plus b, this is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Okay, here it is plus, here you get minus, and cos a minus b. Cos a minus b, this is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Now in this case you can notice you are having the terms of sin only. Okay, here the terms of sin are present and here you can say you are having sin, but this is plus, this is minus. If we add this, this will strike out. So what you have to do, you have to subtract it. Do the minus, this is minus and this is minus. What do you get? You get cos a plus b minus cos a minus b. This is negative of 2 sin a sin b. Okay, convert this negative sign into positive. Okay, here this term which is positive, it turns out to be negative, and this term which is negative turns out to be positive. Means you get cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. Okay, this equal to 2 sin a sin b. Now this is the formula which you have to use. Okay, this is the formula which you have to use. This formula you have already studied in your 11th standard. Okay, so what you will do, you will multiply and divide by 2. Okay, you get 2 sin x sin 2x sin 3x dx. First apply formula on these two terms. 2 जो मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड किया है वो पहले इन दो टर्म्स को दे दीजिए. यू अप्लाई फॉर दिस. ओके, दिस गिव्स यू 1/2 इंटीग्रल ब्रैकेट. you get cos a minus b. X minus 2x gives you minus x minus cos 3x, okay, into sin 3x dx. In the next step, multiply sin 3x, you get 1 by 2 integral. This is cos x sin 3x. Now see, why cos x sin 3x? Cos of minus theta, it gives you cos theta. That's why. Okay. So cos x sin 3x and dx minus 1 by 2. This is sin 3x cos 3x dx. Now see, ये जो हाफ है ये हाफ दोनों से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए. We have separated the terms, we have separated the integrals. Okay. Now when you look at this, we've once again come to this type of problem. But अब इस केस में यहाँ पे जो cos 4x था उसके यहाँ पे cos x है, मतलब साइन वाला पार्ट बड़ा हो गया. ओके. सो वंस अगेन यू मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाय 2, तो यहाँ पे 1/4 हो जाएगा. ये इंटीग्रल 2 आप साइन को पहले ले लीजिए इफ यू वांट. साइन 3x इंटू cos x dx हो गया. हियर ऑल्सो माइनस 1/4 इंटीग्रल 2 sin 3x cos 3x dx. Okay, means once again we multiplied and divided by 2. Now what we get? यहाँ पे cos 4x, एंगल 4x cos का बड़ा था और sin का छोटा था, इसलिए बीच में माइनस n आ गई. Now angle of sin is bigger and angle of cos is smaller, so you will apply same formula, but now in between here it will be plus sign. Okay, so what you get? You get 1/4 integral bracket. You get sin 3x plus x, that gives you 4x, plus sin 3x minus x, you get 2x dx, and here you get minus 1/4 integral 2 sin 3x cos 3x. This gives you sin 6x dx. कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज हो रहा है? फॉर्मूला ऑफ sin 2 theta, that gives you 2 sin theta cos theta. You are applying this formula. Okay, clear? We are applying this formula. See, this is 2. Instead of this theta, sin theta cos theta, theta is 3x. So here it is double of theta. 3x ka double, 6x. Okay, clear? Solve it further. You get 1/4. Answer, this is minus cos 4x upon 4. साइन का इंटीग्रल माइनस कॉस, एंगल में 4x दिया है तो x का कोएफिशिएंट जो 4 है इट विल बी डिवाइडेड. माइनस कॉस 2x अपॉन 2 minus 1/4. This is minus cos 6x upon 6 plus constant. Okay, rest what you have to do, you have to just rearrange the terms. If you want you can take minus sign common. Okay, and you can, if you want, you can take 4 common, else separate all the terms. First term will be minus 1/16 cos 4x, next will be minus 1/8 cos 2x, and next will be minus into minus plus 1/24 cos 6x plus c. Okay, clear? In all these problems what you have to use, you have to just simply use the formulas which you have studied in your 11th standard. Application of those formulas. Okay, please note it down.